And I'm sitting on the other side of security just watching, guys.
And food has been dropped off. How good?
How's this for service?
Check this out. What we got here?
Oh my god, I'm that excited. My baby!
Look what I've got. So this is probably one of the things that we were hoping for the most.
Good morning, welcome back to another video. This morning we are leaving Geraldton after 2.5 weeks here. So we initially just booked for 5 nights and ended up staying longer when Bryce unintentionally found about 12 days of work. So that was pretty good. We are on our way back down to cold Perth. So we have been pretty lucky with the weather here in Geraldton. It's been mostly sunny every day and pretty nice, but I think it's going to be a little bit wet and yucky in Perth the next few days.
Yeah, it's going to be cold and rainy, but we've got post to pick up, got a coffee machine to pick up. We haven't got any new car or caravan like everyone suggested in the comments last YouTube video. So yeah, but we've got something else planned, so stay tuned.
Alrighty, we've made it to Perth and we're staying at the Big 4 Midland Holiday Park for the next 3 nights, and then we're going to head to Fremantle and stay there for a few nights as well.
And now the fun bit. Got here and thought we better get the post straight away because we got a few goodies to unwrap, which I'm stoked about. I've been waiting for this for ages.
So like we said in the last video, there is a few reasons why we're here in Perth. So it's to get post, it's to pick up the coffee machine, and then it's also, we've got a trip planned to Bali. So excited.
Yeah, we're so keen. We're so happy to be going back to Bali. We're going over there for like 3.5 weeks. So yeah, we're super stoked. So we're going to take you with us and show you what we get up to over there.
But first things first, we need to unwrap these. So we're just going to do a little like unboxing segment. Is that what they call it? Unboxing?
Yeah, unboxing. Oh my God, we're fancy.
So the first one is a new GoPro. So we've got the GoPro 10. We've got the GoPro 9 at the moment and we're really happy with it. We've been filming for the last few years on them and only had minimal issues.
Yeah, we have had a few issues with the GoPro 9, so that's why we thought we'd get the 10, make sure we've got then a backup for if we have any issues with it. The next exciting little package is
Season Me Good.
Some Season Me Good. We'll chuck a link in the description and I might even put a little bubble up over here somewhere so you can have a look.
So we've been trying these seasonings and rubs for quite a while now, and we use them probably every second night on things. Oh, garlic butter. I'm so keen for this one. Garlic butter. What else we got here? Firecracker. So that's going to be a bit of a bum burner, I reckon. Lemon and herb and honey hog. Honey hog, you ripper. Sounds good. Hey, here it is. Electric skateboard. Thank you very much. My turn to have one so that we can go cruising around together. Yeah. Wow, that looks beefy. Yeah. It's a little bit bigger than your one, I guess. Should take off really fast and then stack it. Well, I've just been for a nice long shower and I've come back to Bryce cooking dinner. Yeah, we've got spaghetti bolognese with chicken mince and pumpkin. And so just putting the pasta on, and we've got some garlic bread down under here as well. Mind the dirty stovetop because last week while I've been at work, Chelsea's been cooking. She hasn't done a very good job at cleaning up, have you? I didn't have time, I'm busy, right? What do you mean you had time? Oh, that's all right. I'll have to sort it out later, won't I? Wow, you've really outdone yourself. And just a little bit of nutritional yeast. Let's face it, a lot of nutritional yeast. Oh yeah. Bon appetit! We're filming on the GoPro 10 now, so it'll be interesting to see if it's any different quality or anything when I head back and edit this video. We do get a few questions on what camera gear that we have. We keep it really minimal. So we have the GoPro 9 and our DJI Mavic Air 2, that our drone that we use, and now we've got the GoPro 10. So 2 action cameras and 1 drone. We also have a nice camera as well, like a Panasonic, I think it is, that we can take photos on. But really, we just end up using the GoPro or our phone for
like nice photos. We just like to keep it really simple with our camera gear. We don't need anything fancy because this seems to do the job. I do look and sound a little bit tired because we are up early again this morning and we are driving to Bunbury. Yes, Bunbury, which is like 2 hours and probably 20 minutes down the road, and that's to pick up the coffee machine. So the story is with that. We sent it in to get like a service and check a water leak that we had on it, and they had to buy new parts and God knows where they were coming from because they took way too long, and we ended up just leaving it with them and heading up the coast more because we had things we needed to do up in Geraldton. We thought when we come back to fly out to Bali we'll pick it up then.
Directions to Vacuum World Bunbury.
Vacuum World and electrical appliance parts is 2 hours from your location by car in light traffic.
Oh my God, I'm that excited. My baby!
What I've got.
I've just looked at the weather radar and there's this big storm coming over soon. So we're gonna go for a quick skate. Don't know how long we're gonna be out, but it looks pretty nice down the foreshore at Bunbury, even though it is a little bit chilly.
Hello.
Well, we don't need you anymore.
No, done with them. Now I've got these bad boys. Tonight we thought we'd come over to the camp kitchen because there's no one around, and we couldn't be bothered getting the barbecue out because we're doing I'm doing steak sandwich and Chelsea's doing chicken sandwich, and yeah, it should be really good. Let's chuck them on. We got one of our new seasonings that we got in the post. It's honey hog. Gonna see how this goes tonight. Fingers crossed, it's delicious. Check this out, it's coming up a treat.
So we head off to Bali tomorrow and we're just trying to get everything in order. So we are storing the caravan obviously and the car. So we're just making sure they're all clean and good to go and finishing off like washing and stuff today. Looks like a little bit of a Chinese laundry in here, trying to get everything dry to pack in the bags. We've just cleaned the fridge. It's the cleanest it's been in a long time.
And yeah, we've just been making sure we're ticking all our boxes. We've got vaccination certificates, got some money for when we get over there, travel insurance, and yeah, just making sure we're all good to go. You do have to take physical copies of documents too, which does make it a lot easier, fingers crossed, and yeah, hopefully we haven't forgotten anything along the way. Another thing we are so happy they've ruled out as a requirement was you had to get a PCR test, and they were like $150 per person. So for us to go over there it was going to be $300, and thankfully they've scrapped that, so it's just smooth sailing straight over there.
We're trying to pack pretty light, so we've just got the one bag and we're sharing that, so 1 20-kilo bag. We actually bought this bag at Anaconda, so when we're not using it, it folds up tiny and can just fit under the bed or in storage. We've also just got a backpack each, and I'm just going to take like laptop, GoPro, Bryce is going to take the drone in his. It's only a 3.5 hour flight from Perth to Bali, so shouldn't be too long anyway. So I think we can pack hand luggage pretty light.
Alrighty, everything is stowed away and ready to go.
We've just done a few things precautionary, like put some towels at a window that has leaked in the past. I think we've got it fixed, but you just don't know when you're away for a few weeks. And we've got a dehumidifier. And I'm just going to check that we've got passports and boarding passes and everything we need. I've already checked them about 10 times, but you know what it's like when you're traveling. You just want to double, triple check that you've got everything you need before you head off.
So we've just come to the long-term car park. We've topped up with a little bit of fuel just so that it's got some, yeah, we can put some fresh stuff in later. Had some lunch, we stopped in at Subway, and Chelsea's having some dessert as well. There was a tiny bit of Kit Kat left in the fridge, so she thought she would smash it down.
I'm not going to let it go to waste, am I?
Nah, that's fair. That's fair. So we're incredibly early to the airport, but that's how Chelsea likes to be. So I think we can't actually put our bags in until 12:40, which is 3 hours before, and we're here about another hour earlier. So But we're ready and raring to go. We're so excited. It's been ages since we've been to Bali. Yeah, I don't know, can't say any more. I'm just bloody stoked to be going somewhere.
And I'm incredibly nervous too to travel overseas again.
Yeah,
I know there just seems like so much more involved this time, so...
You nervous wheeze and nervous poos?
A few of them. Just carrying the team there, Bryce?
Yep. Got it all. Actually, no, you're not doing too bad yourself. Look at you.
I feel like I'm holding a child in a carrier.
Good to go. So I've got all my stuff in this bag, and that bag and this bag is all Chelsea stuff.
He's lying.
How much am I lying?
No. Okay, I keep saying, oh, let me take out another dress. Let me take out something else. And he goes, oh no, I like that one. Make sure you pack it. No, that looks nice. Oh, you don't want to go without that one. So he's the one conning me into bringing more stuff.
No, we actually don't have that much stuff. I think this one weighs like 18 kilos. And they're mostly drone, laptop and camera stuff. So yeah, all up. It's actually not that bad.
Alrighty, we've checked our bag in. It was pretty straightforward, but lots of people didn't have everything printed and stuff that they needed. So instead of taking 2 minutes to drop your bag off, it was taking them like 5 or 10, which was frustrating.
Yeah, so yeah, it showed your passport, showed your return or your flight details, and yeah,
vaccination.
Quick as that.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. Now we're just going to go find customs and see when we can head through.
So we've got an hour delay so far, and so Chelsea's starting to go a little bit insane.
Yeah. Oh, and also earlier, Bryce was stressing me out. So we did this thing which is tourist refund scheme. So we just bought the GoPro and you just fill in some documents online, bring your receipts, bring the actual product, and you can actually get money back from it.
Yeah, so you get like your GST back or whatever it works out to be. Anyway, yeah, I had to go back through security and then get Chelsea to bring my passport back. And then second time around they didn't like me having ice in my drink bottle, so...
He had this thing with some massive ice cubes filled up in it, and they couldn't like get them out because they'd all stuck together in some huge clump that wouldn't fit out the lid. And I'm sitting on the other side of security just watching going.
Oh well.
But we made it through with heaps of time to spare, so
yeah, and even more because we're an hour delayed.
Yeah. Oh well.
Say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling.
How much room for activities?
We booked the emergency row seats. That way we've got a little bit more leg room. Bryce reckons people are going to give me filthy looks because I don't necessarily need the extra leg room. But, oh well.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
We're here. So excited.
We're all done and on our way through.
We actually got through super quick, maybe like 40 minutes.
Yeah, actually wasn't even that bad. So if you're looking at paying for the extra like fast track or whatever, don't worry about it. It's not even bad.
We've organised for a driver that we had a few years ago. He seemed pretty good back then, so we thought we'd give him another go. We still had him on Facebook, so it was super convenient. And yeah, he's apparently picking us up from the airport here.
He spotted us already.
Oh, hello. Here we come this way, though.
You up here?
I've already got like a sweaty upper lip.
It's nice and hot, nice and humid already. There's a certain smell when you come off the plane and you walk out the airport. It just, it smells like Bali, and it's not a bad smell either.
Yeah, well, some people would say it's a bad smell, but nah, I just love it.
So our driver, he's just going to go grab the car, pick us up, have the air conditioning cranked, and then drop us off at tonight's accommodation, which is just I think it's like $17 a night or something. It's Grandma's in Legian. We made it to our first hotel. It's only Grandma's in Legian. Yeah, it's super cheap because at the time we weren't sure, or you were meant to just have a hotel room that you could stay in for the first night until you got your results back for a test. So we decided to get something really cheap before we head across to Ubud in the next couple of days.
When you feel sad, just dance.
That's alright.
Bit of inspiration.
Yeah, so
and separate beds.
Separate beds. Chelsea's in the single bed because so that way I can spread out a bit more. We're going to hopefully go down and find somewhere for dinner. I got a stick on my belt on there. Looking good. And yeah, hopefully find something to eat.
I guess we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Looks a little bit different in the daytime. We managed to get something to eat last night. There was a group of little warungs and we got some mee goreng, some satay, and Bryce had some bintang.
Yeah, it was a pretty late night, so yeah, we didn't bother filming. We'll kick off today with a bit of breakfast in Kuta, Legion, sort of like in the little border.
Not really sure what we're doing for brekkie yet. They do brekkie at the hotel, but we wouldn't mind going out and just exploring a bit. Beautiful, thank you. Yeah, thanks.
Very good.
Wow, last time we were here, these were all markets and little shops and everything, and now there's nothing here.
COVID came through and everyone closed up shop, so they've gone, screw it, we'll rip it down and redevelop it.
Hello, right your hair. Braiding your hair.
Hello. So this is probably one of the things that we're hoping for the most is these warungs to be open. We used to come here like every day for lunch while we come down the beach. So Warung Buevi number 4, that's where we're going to be hitting up later.
It looks open, so hopefully it's still just as good.
Yeah, that's us. They do delivery to your beach bar too. So you tell them where you're going to be drinking for the afternoon and they'll even bring it over to your little takeaway container. Perfect.
Hello, thank you.
No, thank you.
Let it see.
Just come down and been completely bombarded.
Oh yeah,
Smile for the camera.
Bali again.
Everyone's come straight away so we'll come down for a beer. It's all going on already. We've just been attacked by everybody. Chelsea's got a massage and a manicure going on. Say hi, everyone.
Hi. How are you?
Yeah.
What is name your brother? Jacqueline?
Yeah, so yeah, I'm getting
Your brother's what is name? Bradley. Oh yeah, Bradley.
So yeah, it's all happening.
Bradley, yeah, I remember.
Say hi, Sam.
How are you?
Hey.
Because he's got name.
We're finally able to just sit down and chill out. Chelsea's had her fingernails done and a massage. I've had my fingernails done for some reason. I just got bombarded at the time. Had my toenails cleaned up a little bit.
Nearly got Bryce to get a tramp stamp butterfly, just a like henna temporary tattoo, but I was trying to sign him up to get his toenails done pink as well.
And lunch is on its way, which is even better. So yeah, this will be us for the next couple of hours, a few bintangs. Chelsea's on the Radlers and yeah. And food has been dropped off. How good?
How's this for service?
Check this out. What we got here? Oh, that's my nasi goreng special. What else we got in here? Should have a stack of satays.
Oh yeah.
Chelsea's lunch, and then to finish off with some spring rolls.
Lumpia.
Lumpia. You ripper.
Okay, I think we've ordered way too much food, but... So we've put a little bit of rice in the tree and we're waiting for the s'mores. They're like little Balinese squirrels to come down. 10 hours later.
Thanks for watching another video. If you've liked this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button too.
We'll catch you next time when we're in Ubud. We are heading to a really nice villa, or what looks like a really nice villa.
Yeah, so fingers crossed it looks like the photos, or else we're in for a rude shock.
We'll catch you next week. Bye.
See you later.